Welcome back to Luxury Drive, where we dive into the world of powerful, stylish, and high-performance vehicles. Today, we have something special for you, the all-new Ram 1500 Rebel X. If you love trucks with insane power, bold design, and top-notch tech, then this is the one for you. Stay tuned till the end as we break down everything about this beast, its features, performance, and price. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on the latest luxury rides. The Ram 1500 Rebel X is the latest addition to the Rebel lineup, and trust me, it's built for adventure. It combines off-road toughness with luxury and cutting-edge technology, making it one of the most exciting pickup trucks on the market. Let's dive into what makes this truck a total game-changer. First up, let's talk about the design. The Rebel X takes the rugged look of the standard Ram 1500 Rebel and upgrades it with even bolder styling, blacked-out accents, and aggressive 18-inch wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires. That signature Ram front grille and LED headlights give it a mean and muscular stance, perfect for both highways and off-road adventures. The Sport Performance hood and skid plates not only add to the looks but also improve durability and aerodynamics. Step inside, and you'll see that the Rebel X is not just about power, it's about comfort too. You get premium leather-trimmed seats, a 12-inch Uconnect infotainment system, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system to keep you entertained on the go. The digital driver display gives you all the essential details, and with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, staying connected has never been easier. Plus, there's plenty of storage space, making it practical for work and play. Now, let's get to the heart of the Ram 1500 Rebel X, the engine. This beast is powered by a 5.7L Hemi V8 with eTorque mild hybrid technology, pushing out a whopping 395 horsepower and 410 lb-ft of torque. That means you get raw power and better fuel efficiency at the same time. Plus, it comes with a four-wheel drive system, locking rear differential, and Bilstein shocks, making it an off-road king. Whether you're towing, hauling, or hitting the trails, the Rebel X is built to handle it all. When it comes to safety, Ram doesn't compromise. The Rebel X is packed with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and blind spot monitoring. These features give you extra confidence, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling rough terrains. Now, let's talk about the price. The Ram 1500 Rebel X starts at around $65,000, depending on the trim and optional features you choose. For a truck that offers power, technology, and rugged design, it's a solid investment for adventure lovers and off-road enthusiasts. So, what do you think about the Ram 1500 Rebel X? Would you take this beast on an adventure? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Luxury Drive for more exciting car reviews. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep driving in style.